Hi there, students. Tacit. Tacit is an adjective. Tacitly, the corresponding adverb. Okay, if something is tacit, it's implied but not directly stated. So you understand that this is true, but nobody has actually ever said it. So he gave his tacit approval by not doing anything to stop them. Or you could give tacit approval by not objecting. His actions show that he tacitly agrees with what they are doing, but at no time has he said anything to say that that is true. I borrowed some money from some gangsters, and it's tacitly understood that if I don't pay them back, they will break my legs. It's taken for granted, it's understood. It can be inferred. It's not spoken, it's not said, it's not written down. The sad look on his face tacitly showed that he knew he had made a mistake. His tacit apology came in the form of a bunch of flowers. So, tacit consent. You could give your tacit consent by not making any objection, not saying anything against it. In a relationship, we give tacit approval to many things that our partner does. Or, for example, at school, there are many tacit social rules that we must not break. The group tacitly showed their disapproval by ignoring him. So tacit means something that is understood by both parties, but it hasn't been stated. It's implied, it's made known. It's the transmission of a message, but without saying it in words. Without specifically stating it. We both tacitly knew that he was lying. So it was clear to both of us that he was telling lies. But neither of us said that. Maybe to save face. So tacit describes something that is unvoiced, that is understood, something taken for granted by all the parties. So next question, how formal is tacit? I think I'd probably give it a 6.5 in formality. I don't think I would use it in an informal conversation in the pub. I'd say it's understood, it's clearly implied, it's obvious that. And then the origin, well, in Latin we have a word tacitus, meaning done without words, assumed as a matter of course. And also in English we have the word taciturn. We have the word taciturn that describes somebody who doesn't speak very much. They're very silent and they keep themselves to themselves. So, tacit, not said or stated or written down in a contract, but assumed to be true by both parties, or assumed to be false. It's the assuming without saying, and that's the idea of tacit. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. That would be more than tacit approval because you're taking an action saying, I think it's good. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Tacit. Tacitly.